Welcome back to the Rough Example Datsun 510 project. I haven't done a whole lot this week. My wife got sick, so I've been taking care of the kids and whatnot, but these are my seat brackets that I've been refinishing today. They had gotten sandblasted along with the chassis, so they just needed a fresh coat of black paint. So I put some satin black engine paint on there and letting those dry. I got a couple other updates on the brake system I can show you as well. So I refinished this brake line here that runs into this block, and then it goes all the way back to the behind the subframe on the back. And I ended up having to unbolt the subframe and drop it down a little bit to get that thing in there because it was so long. But anyway, I spent most of the morning sanding all of the grime off of that and refinishing it with a fresh coat of paint and reinstalling that. And then I also, this week, I got my calipers painted and reassembled and reinstalled on there. So getting a little closer on brakes. I just need to finish the brake line that goes up to goes across the firewall and down to the front passenger side brake caliper, and I will be back in business. But I've kind of been procrastinating. I also finally got around to reinstalling the seal on here. Just put glue in there and have it clamped down and waiting for that. And then over here on the other side, I've been working on this seal that runs on the outside of the door, on the outside of the frame here. Had to install this seal here, and that one was a little more difficult. The top part was actually really easy because it drops right into this channel up here. This thing here holds it in, so you just kind of force it in there with I had a piece of plastic that I was kind of using like a squeegee to get it in there. But then down here, that's where it gets a little more tricky because there's not any sort of a guide. So I, put the bead of glue along there and just had to load it up with a bunch of painter's tape to hold it in position. And let that dry overnight and see how it turns out. So I think that's basically everything I've been doing this week. Hopefully I'll have a little more progress next time around. But I appreciate you watching, and let me know if you have any questions on this, if you're building one yourself, need any information. I am happy to take photos or videos for you. I've gotten myself into a few tight spots with not having documentation, so I think it's good if we can help each other out. But thanks for watching and enjoy your week.